Now I will explain how to see date wise paid details and collection amount. Okay. Now login your web page. Okay. Login your username and password. Login. This is a home page. Okay. Now I will explain collection amount. Okay. Using date wise. Okay. Here click this button today collection. Okay. Select start date. For example, I will take January. Okay. Select end date. For example, I will take current date. Okay. Filter. See here. This is a collection amount of nursery class. This is a collection amount of LKG class. This is a UKG collection amount from this date to this date. Okay. Starting date and ending date. Okay. Scroll down. This is a all collection amount. Okay. For example, I will change starting date September. Okay. Now I will filter. See here starting date from ending date. Only I collect 400 rupees of the nursery class. Okay. This is a nursery class collection fees. Okay. Scroll down. This is a all collection fees. Okay.